morning to you all. Again, I Aditya, the co-host of today program. Losers are not the losers; they are the learners, and learners
Learners win.
learners win not immediately but definitely.
Wow.
Now, I would like to call Balkishan Bhaiya from class 10 with an English speech. Please welcome Balkishan Bhaiya.
Hello everybody, good morning to all. I am present here to speak the APJ Abdul Kalam. I said that the APJ Abdul Kalam is not a person who is a motivated person for the whole universe, whole earth peoples, because he is a motivation of the whole living organism, like humans. The full name of APJ Abdul Kalam was the Abul Pakir Jainul Abidin APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam. He is born in the temple town of the Dhanushkodi, Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. His father's name was Jainul Abidin and his mother's name was Asiamma Jainul Abidin. In his childhood, he was not intelligent. He is an average student, but in future he showed that what is willpower to do in the future to make the missile man of India. I also said that about his journey, in which he started journey in Swat High School, which is Ramnathpuram, and next he transferred from Ramnathpuram to Chirupalli for the higher education. Then he also transferred from the Madras Institute of Higher Technology, because he know that what India sacrifices for the world and getting freedom for the British rule. He also see what our freedom fighters do for getting the freedom. So he started the improvement of the power of the India. So he established the missile program in India. After that, he called the Missile Man of India, in which he established the ballistic missile system, was first introduced by the PJ Abdul Kalam in India. After that, he also introduced what is the technology to launch the satellite for the space. He established PSLV and SL3 for the launching pad of the satellite. After the graduating from the Madras Institute of Technology, then he transferred from the ISRO, in which he learned how to leadership and do the best from the Vikram Sarabhai and the profession and other professor. The Vikram Sarabhai at that time was the space scientist who called the APJ Abdul Kalam, because he know that what the Abdul Kalams have the talent. Then he introduced as a co-scientist in the ISRO and gave the 4 projects for the future what India make in 2020. Also he written in this book what the India make in 2020. After that, he make the Agni, Prithvi and other missiles. He based the best technology in India. I also see in the current news what India received by the technology of APJ Abdul Kalam. In this recent time of 35 days, the India launching the 10 new missile systems, in which one missile is the hypersonic cruise missile system, who is also a ballistic missiles of BrahMos. All the powerful missiles will be based on the APJ Abdul Kalam technology, because he said that only the science technology who develop the science for the future generation. What future generation have with also see what the technology a country have for what the improvement do in the future. But he also said that what in with the improvement of the technology, we cannot deny what our real happiness, like do not destroy the nature's law, do not supplies any pollution for the world, for the nature. So he and next he he also who also sent a lecture on the student, because he said that the student is the future of the country, of any country. He in one time the 5 countries in the world, first is the USA, second is the Britain, third is the France, fourth is China, and other countries who develop on nuclear missiles, but the India do not have. Then the at that time the president of the USA, who said that who cannot make the nuclear weapons, because at that time of the Prime Minister of India is Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who said, who conference with the APJ Abdul Kalam, who developed the new technology of the nuclear weapons for the country, because we know that the nuclear weapons is very disastrous, but the power of the nuclear weapons, our enemies such as the Pakistan and the China, who warning on the power of the nuclear weapons. So in the Pokhran, APJ Abdul Kalam, who test and receive first time win in this testing without any hesitation. But the India says to the whole world, it is not a weapons. It is a weapons for our defense, our country. I cannot use first time in the battlefield. I can use this system after who attack nuclear weapons on him. He was the 11th president of India. 11th of India from the 25th July to 2002 to 2007. He was also called the People's Prime Minister, People's President, because he was also loves both community, Hindu and Muslim. He was not a only one religion. He was the person of the only religion in it. He also read the Quran and also read the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. At last, I said that his death on 57th July 2015. He was a great loss of the personality who developed the science technology. At that time of the political leaders such as the President Pranab Mukherjee, the Vice President Zakir Hussain, and the Gri Mantri, the Home Minister is Rajnath Singh, who pay attention and consolidate on the death of the APJ Abdul Kalam. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who said that the death of the APJ Abdul Kalam is a great loss of the science community. But the technology who developed by the APJ Abdul Kalam, whose results seen now in this 21st century, because he was the great scientist of the 21st century. At last, the whole world say a brief respect on the death of the APJ Abdul Kalam. At last, in his books, he said that I am not a beautiful, but I am not a handsome, but I give my hand to those person who get help, because beautiful is not present in the face, beautiful is present in the heart. And he also said that my death is not a holiday, my death is a day extra work for the future. Thank you.